And we'll do this next week. We did a lot of stuff. So we started off with a sugar tuck for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We did an underarm turn to fix the hand. We did a push break, leads opening up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up in this reverse hand hold. We did a reverse whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we built on all those basics. Starting off with the reverse whip, we did an underarm turn. Leads, you're going to hammerlock yourself forward, anchor step. Backhanding follow to lead that reverse whip for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Follow, we talked about 2 styling options. After count 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I'm under rotated. I did a 7 and 8. Lead the push break. I gather 1. We also did from 6, a 7 and 8. All those not affecting the hand.
Leaders, we're going to cross. We're doing our underarm turn. Okay.
Set your post.
Set my post. We want to pull her forward. We're going to triple step onto the rail. I never want to pull her forward early, so I'm staying close to her. Now 1 is going to be down flat to get it rotating. I'm going to roll into it. Reverse whip. Okay. Roll my shoulder back.
We then worked on a variation for the sugar tuck for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and triple step, anchor step.
Okay.
We'll review that all next week.
Yep. Awesome.
Good job, guys.
Good job.